today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Sonic the Hedgehog me on the Nintendo Switch. Hope this is entertaining and helpful. Have fun listening. You want to do this face, really short one, really small one. I do not know why, but you need to use this one here. I have no idea why I gotta use that. I have no idea. Tell me if you know in the comment section down below, because there's other tutorials of how to do this. So tell me if you know, if someone's told you. None of these. That would be a big help. And just the colour that you already have on there, just completely pale. You need this hairstyle. I need this hair colour. Remember, got blue spiky hair because he's a hedgehog. Even when people touch the back, they don't really seem to get hurt. So they've probably the creators probably forgot that he's a hedgehog and he has a very spiky back. Anyway, I'm gonna have these eyebrows, these positions. Like I say always, you can pause the video anytime you need to and make them same colour as you did as the hair. So this colour, just in case you forgot. Don't want to keep going back and back and back and back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. Trying to remember what colour it is, especially if you have short-term memory loss. No one has short-term memory loss. Anyway, these eyes, these positions, and this colour. The nose, you want to do this bit. Now this is the interesting bit. Remember he has that bit, like kind of yellow bit across his face? Well, that's representing that bit. You want to do these positions. For the mouth, you want to use this mouth. You want to do these positions. And it doesn't matter what colour you select it for, because anyone you choose, it's just going to be exactly the same. Because it's a black mouth. It's one of the black ones, but you can't change the colour. Gosh. Now this is where it gets interesting. You want no beard, but you want a moustache. You want to do these positions. And you want to make them as white as you can. So you may be wondering, why does he have that there? Well, you know where his eyes sort of connect to each other? Well, that's what it's about. Clever, isn't it? And this is quite clever. But you want to get the mole. No idea what that beeping sound was. It's the sun there. No idea what that was. Anyway, these positions. Not every day you use a mole on a me, is it? Well, if you just really want to use a mole one day, well, you've come to the right video. Of course he's male, that's pretty much obvious, but if you don't know who Sonic the Hedgehog is, then... Right, so these positions... And you want to get these glasses. By the way, I changed the look on my Waluigi me, so I'll maybe make an update video of that sometime. And anyway, you want to have these positions. You want these glasses. If I showed you that, I can't remember if I did. I can't remember if I just said, or if I just said I just have just have some glasses. Anyway, you want to make them this colour, the same as the rest of the hair and the eyebrows and stuff, face. Of course, you want his favourite colour to be blue. And you want to type in Sonic. And then you want to press done. And congratulations, if you've done this correctly, you have your own, very own Sonic me. You're welcome. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope this helps. Bye, have a good day.